At itong Facebook naman, I just, from what I have learned in the past days, na pati yung advocacy ng gobyerno, tinatanggal. So what's the purpose of you being here? If government itself, Facebook, listen to me. We allow you to operate here, hoping that you could help us also. Now, if government cannot espouse or advocate something which is good for the good of the people, then what is your purpose here in my country? Tapos yung left, ini-encourage kayo, then you believe in the left, and to the point of almost make a sweeping move to yung sa health, website ng health, military, we're fighting a war. You know, Facebook, insurgency is about overturning government. What would be the point? I said before, in my eyes, what would be the point of allowing you to continue if you cannot help us? We are not advocating mass destruction. We are not advocating mass massacre. It's a fight of ideas. And apparently, from the drift of your statement or your position is that it cannot be used as a platform for it's so convoluted, I cannot understand it. But ito na lang, tell me kung bakit hindi ko magamit para sa kapakanan ng taong bayan. If government cannot use it for the good of the people, then we have to talk. We have to talk sense. If we are promoting the cause of the rebellion, which is already, which was already here before you came, and so many thousands of my soldiers and civilians dying, then if you cannot reconcile the idea of what your purpose is or was, then we have to talk. I don't know what I will do, but we have to talk. Hindi pwede na you cannot lay down a policy for my government. I allow you to operate here. You cannot bar or prevent me from espousing the objectives of government. No government in this wide world espouses killing or execution or whatnot. But you know that there is a left, that the left is the National Democratic Front. And that's the, then they have the New People's Army as an organ of that. So, kung hindi tayo magkaintindihan dyan, mag-usap tayo uli. Is there life after Facebook? I don't know. Pero mag-usap tayo.
Yan! Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Pangulong Duterte. Simple lang naman yan eh, di ba? Na parang, yung hands off our children, ang ganda ng advocate na yun. Yung, wag nyong rekrutin ang aming mga anak. at maging terorista. Ngayon sasabihin nilang at tatanggalin nila yon at ano yun sasabihin kesyo it violates our community guidelines. Ano ba yun? Napakaano ng Facebook, halatang halata. Tapos, yung mga nagre-recruit para sa Bakabayan Kuno, para sa laban dito sa sa gobyerno. At halatang-halatang they encourage rebellion. Ganun ang ginagawa ng Facebook. So dapat talaga medyo mapuna na ito. Juanito Madrid, salamat po. Kaya maganda itong simula na ito. Alam nyo, ang Facebook medyo sumusobra na . Sa totoo lang Ay nako, as in hindi lang sa mga bagay-bagay ng political, as in pag ayaw nila, hindi nila type, kahit nga yung kay Fabunan di ba, natanggal. So ang dami-dami talagang binablock, hindi ko maintindihan, pero okay lang naman. Sa akin kung talagang yan ang kanilang patakaran, okay lang. Pero be fair, dapat both sides. Tapos, maging sa fact-checker nila, Rappler at saka itong Bear Files, na yung mismong pinuno ng Bear Files, sinasabi yung Pangulo natin, fake news. Paano namang klase yun? Okay lang Okay, tanggalin nyo sila. Baka sabihin nyo, gusto ko maging fact-checker. Hindi, wala akong plano. Wag din DDS. Wag din. Basta walang leaning sa any political. Kasi nga, fact-checker ka, it's supposed to be you are objective in looking things. Rappler pa ilagay mo dyan. Ano ba namang kalokohan yan? Facebook. Sabi ko nga kung ito medyo Watch the Social Dilemma on Netflix. Malalaman yung Oo, grabe. As in, pinanood ko din yan. Grabe yan. Grabe yan, Brad. Social Dilemma. Panoorin nyo yan sa Netflix. Grabe ho sila dyan. Tingnan nyo. Magandang panoorin yan. Kaya nga, one day alam nyo, ito hindi ako nagbibiro Ngayon pa lang, matuto na ho kayo mag-YouTube at lumipat ng ibang social media. Hindi ko sinasabing tanggalin nyo ang Facebook. Hindi ko sinasabing iwan nyo ang Facebook. Pero dapat meron tayong backup. Okay? Meron tayong fallback. Fallback. Just in case biglang tanggalin lahat. Kasi posible ho yan. Ngayon nga pinatatakbo ng gobyerno natin, tinatanggal nila. Di ba? Yung hands off na tinulungan ng, hindi naman pinatatakbo in a sense na gobyerno ho yun pero tinulungan ho ng ating ng kasundaluhan yung itong mga nanay. Ibig sabihin yung advocacy nila ay para sa gobyerno, suportahan ng gobyerno. Sabi nga ni Pangulong Duterte, pinayagan kayo dito dahil nakakatulong kayo sa bayan namin. Kung hindi kayo nakakatulong, ano pa purpose nyo dito? Manggulo. Tama naman sila ang Facebook. Tama naman sila. I-block nila yung ayaw nila. Private company sila Pero tama rin kami kung sakaling i-block namin kayo sa bansa namin. At totoo lang medyo sabi ko nga apektado ako dito pag tinanggal ang Facebook. Paano na yan? Kaya nga dapat